No, a greed for gains and ways. No, greed. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You're welcome once again to Noble Meals Home. God bless you. God bless you. For my returning subscribers, please, thank you for staying with us. Thank you. God bless you. And for those who is yet to subscribe, who just see this video, this channel for the first time, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel. And as you do so, God bless you. Without wasting much of our time today, we are going to cook ogbono soup. Okay, yeah, we are going to cook ogbono soup. So guys, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. And as you do so, God bless you. Thank you. And let me take you through the ingredients. Here you have your stock fish. Here you have your fresh Titus fish. Here you have your fried Titus fish. Here you have your cow intestine. Here you have your onions, Maggi and salt. Here you have your cow skin. Here you have your cow beef meat. Here you have your palm oil. Here you have your ogbono. This is what we are going to cook today. Here we have our pepper. Here you have your dry bitter leaf. Here you have what I call ubore in my native language. This is what we call it, ubore. It's very good to cook all kinds of soup, ubore. After you must have washed your stock fish, you start putting them on the pot, just as you can see here. And I add the cow intestine. I add the cow beef meat. Then I add my onions, fresh onions. Then I add another onions, which is the dry one. I'm just going to add 1 cube of Maggi. Mix them together before putting it on the fire and allow it to boil for about 2 minutes before adding water. Now I'm going to add the fish. I'm going to add the fish on the top so that I'm not going to turn it again so that it will not scatter. So then now the fish has been cooked, so I'm going to remove it as well. In order for the fish not to scatter, I'm going to remove all of them, as you can see here right now. Yeah, this is our ogbono. I'm just putting oil. So I'm putting oil. I'm going to be mixing it together, and I just put it on another amount of gas. Just low it like 2 to 3%, so that it will not get burned. This is how it look like after it must have got hot, and the oil must have hot as well, and you start turning it, and this is how it's going to look like. This is a very nice process. Yes, now I'm adding the cow skin, because I have cooked it before. Yeah, I have cooked the cow skin before, so it has been cooked So I'm just adding it now. I've added the bitter leaf as well, so I'm just going to cover it for some time. Now it's time for us to add the ogbono. Just as you can see, I'm adding it right now.
My darling, I told you I'm not perfect man, but I promise I will never hurt you again. My darling, I told you I'm not perfect.
As you add it, then you turn it together. You turn it together and give it a time to boil out. Then you will see the outcome of it. This is how it look like. Yeah, now I'm putting my crayfish. Yeah, I'm putting my crayfish. Now I'm adding my pepper. I'm going to add 2 cubes of Maggi to it. 2 cubes of Maggi. Then after that, my native ubore. I'm adding this. It's very nice, and it scent. The aroma is yummy, and you will like it. So after that, I'm adding a little bit of salt to it as well. I'm just turning the soup together. I want to mix them together very well because of all the ingredients I have put. So guys, now I'm adding the fish, the fresh fish that I have cooked, and also I'm going to also be adding the fried fish as well. So guys, yeah, it is your ogbono soup. Look at how bubble it is. So yummy, tasty, you know. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and as you do so, God bless you. Thank you so much. Here is your final result. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all, for my returning subscribers, and for those who is just seeing up for the first time, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Subscribe and on the notification bell, and as you do so, God bless you. See you next time again with another beautiful recipe. Bye bye.